Hello friends of Sujata, you're watching All Season Gardening. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is how to propagate chlorophytum comosome in 3 ways and also care tips for this plant. Spider plant care. Gardening tips for spider plant. The spider plant is considered one of the most adaptable of house plants and easiest to grow. The spider plant is so named because of its spider-like plants or spiridetes which dangle down from the mother plant like spiders on a web, available in green or variegated varieties. Spider plant care tips. Care for spider plant is easy. Provide them well drained soil and bright indirect light and they will flourish. Water them well, but do not allow the plant to soggy, which can lead to root rot. In fact, spider plants prefer to dry out some between watering. When caring for spider plants, also take into account they enjoy cooler temperatures. Spider plant can also benefit from occasional pruning, cutting them back to the base. Since spider plants prefer a semi-pod bound environment, spider plants report them only when their large, fleshy roots are highly visible and watering is difficult. Spider plants can be easily propagated through division of mother plant or by planting small spiridetes. Spiridetes can be rooted in water or soil but will generally yield more favorable results and a stronger root system when planted in soil. Water propagation. Similar to soil propagation, cut the spiridetes and place them simply in water. Ideally, the best method for rooting spider plants spiridetes is by allowing the plantlet to remain attached to the mother plant. Choose the spiridete and place in a pot of soil near the mother plant. Keep this well watered and once it roots, you can cut it from the mother plant. Now, I'm going to show the results. You can see the beautiful roots and these spiridetes become a fully developed plant. So thank you friends, thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. If you like this type of content, you can subscribe my channel, like it if press the like button and share with your family and friends. Thank you friends, thanks for watching. Thank you.